Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX is currently holding support, pushing a little higher. The last push was only in 3 waves, so again it's not really very clear if this B wave that we discussed in the last video is actually complete. Quick reminder, we view this move to the upside as a 5-wave move, but as an ending diagonal. It's part of a larger corrective pattern. And this move up that started in October is seen as a C wave, which is generally a 5-wave move. But in this case, it's not impulsive. You can't really count this move to the upside as an impulse, but we can count it as a diagonal pattern. In a diagonal, it's possible to count it as complete already, but I think one more high seems reasonable, mainly because the move to the downside so far has been very corrective, which means it has been characterized by overlapping price action. It moved in a so-called bullish flag, you could argue, where this descending trend channel, the price broke to the upside of that trend channel and is trying to push against the ceiling of our resistance area. So that resistance area is something that is an area we talked about already a while ago. I've been highlighting that in every video, so it's no surprise that we see a little bit of a rejection there. But most importantly, the move to the upside so far is only corrective. Okay, so while it is possible that this B wave of wave 5 of C is finished, it is equally likely that we dip into the support area again. Let me show you that in a wave count actually. So obviously we can count the move down as complete in a WXY structure of what could be wave B of 5. Obviously, because we're dealing here with a diagonal, also the wave 5 would be an ABC structure. However, again, it's equally likely to say this move down was only the A wave. This move up is the B wave, and we come down once more in the C wave. Actually, I can highlight that in a different color. And and we could then retest the orange support area again. That would not be bearish, but it will turn short-term bearish below $17.18. Because that's really the key pivot that distinguishes between, okay, one more high in wave 5 of C, or already a much deeper pullback. So this move up so far is a 3-wave move, so can easily be a B wave, okay? So for example here, the B wave itself could be a WXY structure, or even an ABC, it doesn't matter so much, but it's a 3-wave move, okay? And if you look at Fibonacci extensions, basically here the move up to the low, it has reacted to the 1-to-1 ratio. That's not good, and that's often a signal that maybe this was just a high B wave. Okay, so certainly not good, certainly not short-term very bullish, because a reaction to the 1-to-1 ratio is never good. Now said that, or saying that, Bitcoin did the same, and after that it broke out. Okay, so it's just at the moment a first initial reaction, but I would say if we see a break below the last swing low here at $20.72, it would be a first indication that wave C here is unfolding in white to the downside, targeting $18.55 or $17.18. And then a break below $19.58. This swing low, which was made on the 28th of November, would be confirmation that the C wave of B is playing out. Now, again, all of that is simply part of this overall correction. Only below $17.18, I would assume that this larger B wave has started to unfold after the A wave basically started in December. Then we would be looking at a B wave pullback. And if that is correct, if that can take many weeks to play out, then a C wave rally higher would be still anticipated. AVAX first needs to get above the resistance area here, which sort of ends at around about $23 to get to the next target of around 29 to 30. So overall, I don't see a very good reward to risk ratio here for a long trade. If we go deep into the support area, maybe, but then bear in mind that we're just below resistance, and literally the biggest, or let's say the highest probability move of this rally is over. I think it's literally just about, okay, do we get another fifth wave or not? Okay, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Here you can find additional content every single day. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.